Who is using Docker? What even is Docker? And do you need to know about it? Let's find out in this video. Hey, Mike here from learndevops.com.au, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Docker, that containerization engine with the cute little logo with the little whale, the little things on its back, the little containers, and it just goes through the sea. Yes, the Docker, the little whale thing. It is extremely popular. It is extremely popular. These videos are designed to be short. This one's probably going to be very, very short. It's extremely popular. It's used across every industry. It's used for localized development right through to huge scale for building huge microservices up in the cloud, on-prem, hybrid, the whole lot, the whole thing, everything. It is extremely powerful. I recommend getting Docker Desktop. Now, there were some changes to Docker Desktop recently in regards to pricing. Won't affect you for learning it locally, and even for very small organizations, there are no prices involved at all. There's no cost involved. But if you are at an extremely large scale, if you're Cisco or your Nike or your Microsoft or something, then it's going to have a huge impact on you from a price perspective. But just for you today, my dear viewer, as a student or potential student, it won't cost you anything. Get it installed locally on your local machine there, download some images and spin up some containers and just have a play around. Spin up a Postgres, spin up a Postgres container locally, get that port available on your local system, on the local host there, 127.0.0.1, you know what I mean, the loopback address. Get that database available on that IP and then see if you can connect to it from, say, a Python script or maybe something written in Go. And then you'll be able to see the power of being able to just spin up a database and then delete it again. And it's just gone. And you didn't have to install anything but Docker, download an image and run a container. Docker is essentially just eating the world. And therefore I would recommend that you give it a try. Yes, definitely do it. I hope this has been useful. These little short videos are about me just explaining that you should or should not look at something, whether it's even being used in the industry. It might be a buzzword that's really popular, but then I'm telling you, well, I don't even see it. With Docker, I'm seeing it at every single client without fail. So yeah, definitely give it a shot. Hopefully this video has been useful. If so, then hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, head on down to the comments, click on the little white box where you type in the text and let me know if Docker is something that you use on perhaps a daily basis or a weekly basis, or maybe you've never even heard of Docker. That would be interesting if someone's out there hasn't actually heard of Docker or containerization and is looking to become a DevOps engineer. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. And of course, if you want to have a little chat as well, then head on over to chat.learndevops.com.au and that will connect you to our Discord server where we have people from no experience right through to lots and lots and lots of experience. And you can ask questions and you can get involved in conversations and the live streams every Sunday and Wednesday as well. Hopefully, I will see you soon. And in the next video, maybe, yeah, hopefully. Well, if you hit the subscribe button, you'll definitely join me in the next video, won't you? Because you've already pressed it, haven't you? Yeah, cheers, thanks. Very nice.